friends, I am Dr. Vindhya. I am very grateful and overwhelmed by the responses from our viewers. So as requested by many viewers, we shall see simple postnatal yoga exercises. So these exercises can be done 6 weeks after the delivery, or it is always better that you consult your gynecologist and then start these exercises. So what happens during pregnancy? The mother gains lot of weight, especially the abdomen fat, and while breastfeeding, if the mother doesn't adhere appropriate posture, she may develop neck and the back pain. So today's session of exercises will deal with strengthening your neck and the shoulder muscles, and also how to strengthen your back and the core muscles, so that it helps in reduction of the abdomen fat. So we'll have it in 2 sessions. The one session is the standing exercises and the part 2 will deal with the floor exercises. While doing neck exercises, inhale as you go up or down. Exhale as you come in the center. Like inhale, bend down, exhale, center. Inhale, see up, exhale, center. Inhale, turn to the right side, exhale, midline. Inhale, turn to the left side, exhale, midline. Do it 5 times. Anti-clockwise rotation. While inhaling, see up. While exhaling, come down. Inhalation, come up. Exhalation, come down. Do it 5 times. Clockwise, while inhaling, go up. As you exhale, come down. Let it be a gentle movement. Shoulder exercises. As you inhale, do inward rotation. Exhalation, outward rotation. Inhalation, inward. Exhalation, outward. Do it 5 times. Shoulder rotation. So try to bring both the arms as close as possible. So while going up, inhale, coming down, exhale. Do it 5 times. Anti-clockwise. As you go up, inhale. As you come down, exhale. Exercise to open the shoulder. Interlock the fingers. Place the fingers over the neck and push against each other. Feel the resistance. At the end of exercise, feel the effect of the asana. Vrikshasana. Flex your right leg and place it over the left thigh. Now as you inhale, bring both the arms close to each other in Namaste posture. Stay for 10 to 20 seconds in this posture. Normalize the breath. As you exhale, gently come back. Similarly, do it on the opposite side. As you inhale, lift both the arms up. Stay in this posture for 10 to 20 seconds. Vrikshasana is otherwise called as tree pose. Normalize your breath. As you exhale, gently come back. So for the beginners, what you can do is you can take the support of any wall behind you. So like when you are flexing the leg like this, you can lean yourself and take the support of the wall and try to balance initially in the single leg, and try to focus in front of any object so that your concentration is fixed in that, and when you are confident, then you can release. Gently come back, take the support and come back. So in my antenatal videos, I have taught you about the Tadasana. Those who have missed, they can see into the link given above. Today we will do Triyaka Tadasana. So place both the feet together, interlock your fingers, bring the hands up. As you inhale, you need to lean on the right side. Normalize your breath. Exhale, come back. Inhale to the opposite side. Normalize your breath. Exhale, come back. We'll do once more. Interlock your fingers. Stretch as far as possible so that you engage your core muscles. Inhale to the side. Feel the pressure. Normalize your breath. Try to stay for 10 to 20 seconds. Exhale, come back. Inhale, opposite side. Normalize the breath. Feel the effect. Exhale, come back. Hastottanasana is a backward bending. So, tuck your tummy in so that you engage the core muscles. Bring your arms in the front. As you inhale, you go back. Exhale, come back. So, you need to tuck in your tummy so that you engage the core muscles. Stretch your arms. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, come back. Close your eyes. Feel the effect on the core muscles. Next is Pravritta Prasvakon Asana. So, widen your legs 4 to 5 feet apart. Turn the right leg outside. Flex your knee in the perpendicular manner. Turn your body to the right side. Come in the Namaste posture. Now as you inhale, your left arm should touch the floor. Right arm up. As you exhale, come back. Turn your leg left side outwards. Flex the knee. Turn your body to the left side. Come in the Namaste posture. So as you inhale, your right arm should touch the floor. Left arm up. Exhale. Come back. So those for the beginners, they can use the blocks. Gently come back. Do feel free to ask any queries. If you like the video, please share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.